5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. Before you make a material takeoff, be sure that your budget is fully completed, reviewed, and approved. This is because material takeoffs are part of your project that will guarantee transparency when executing it. You have noticed that each cell on the value column have a lock icon on the right. This means that these cells can only be modified by the system to ensure that there are no third-party manipulation of this data. Once you create your first material takeoff, Mtrix-sc.com will lock the editing of all the numeric values in your budget, which is all of these values will be unmodifiable. So, we recommend you again to double-check all of your budget before proceeding with this step. Let me invite you to continue watching the next videos. Follow me on our social networks.